Hi, this is Dominic. In this video, I want to talk about clean copy validation and coordinated recovery. When a cyber attack hits, everything stops. The priority becomes simple: recover fast, recover clean, recover confidentially. But achieving that is anything but simple. Because when the pressure is on, you need more than backups. You need the right backups, validated, trusted, and ready to recover. Recovering after a cyber attack isn't like restoring a file you accidentally deleted. It requires coordination across the application, storage, and backup systems. Everything must come together in the right sequence and in a known good state. But here's the challenge. You must validate backups and storage snapshots before recovery. You must quickly identify which copies are clean and which might still be contaminated. And just when you think you are ready, you often need to rescan everything again right before hitting recover. During an incident, you don't have hours to analyze every snapshot manually. You need instant visibility into all your recovery points, backup and snapshots across your environment. You need automated scanning, continuous validation, and the ability to run a manual just to be absolutely sure, scan whenever you want. And most importantly, you need confidence. Confidence that the copy you are about to recover will not reinfect your environment. IBM Storage Defender brings that confidence. Defender holistically visualizes all recovery points across backup systems, snapshot layers. Instantly, you see which copies are healthy, which are suspicious, and which are fully validated. And Defender doesn't stop here. It executes recovery testing from both backups and snapshots end to end. It continuously scans content for threats, malware, anomalies, ransomware patterns. And when you want a manual scan, maybe because your intuition says something isn't right, Defender lets you trigger one immediately with elevated priority. No guesswork, no spreadsheets, no "we hope this is clean." Don't believe in promises, prove it. Defender gives you real, data-driven assurance. Cyber attacks are stressful. Clean recovery shouldn't be. IBM Storage Defender gives your teams the visibility, automation, and validation they need to recover quickly and confidentially.